If your Bose QuietComfort earbuds are suddenly flashing red and white, don't panic, because today I'm going to show you the exact steps to fix it quickly and get your earbuds working like new again. This issue is way more common than you think, and the solution is usually simpler than it looks. So stay with me till the end. Your earbuds will thank you. First, let's understand what that red and white flashing actually means. In most cases, it's either a Bluetooth connection glitch or a charging error. The earbuds get stuck in a confused state and the LED tries to warn you. Thankfully, the fix is straightforward. Forget the device. On your phone, tablet, or laptop, go to your Bluetooth settings and remove the Bose QC earbuds from the paired list. This wipes out any corrupted or stuck pairing info. It's like giving your connection a clean slate. Do a soft reset, place both earbuds back into the charging case, close the lid, and wait about 30 seconds. This forces the earbuds to shut down and reboot. Then reopen the case. In many cases, you'll see the lights return to normal instantly. If the red-white flashing stops here, great, you're done. If not, move on to the next step, factory reset. Keep both earbuds inside the case with the lid open. Find the Bluetooth button on the charging case, press and hold it for around 30 seconds, and don't let go. You'll notice the LED change color, usually turning blue or solid white. That color shift is your signal that the reset was successful. Repair your earbuds. Now go back to your device's Bluetooth settings and connect to the earbuds like they're brand new. This fresh pairing usually eliminates the flashing issue completely. And if you've tried all of these steps and your earbuds are still flashing red and white, then it's time for step 5. Contact Bose support. If your device is still under warranty, they're known to provide fast replacements or repairs. And that's it. A simple set of steps to fix the red and white flashing issue on your Bose QC earbuds. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.